Hello and welcome back. Today, we will delve into the world of full-stack developers, exploring their expertise, roles, and responsibilities in detail. Full-stack developer, expertise, roles, and responsibilities. A full-stack developer is skilled in both front-end and back-end development, enabling them to manage the entire web application development process. They possess a versatile skill set that enables them to work on various layers of an application, from the user interface to the server-side logic. Here are the key points detailing their expertise, roles, and responsibilities. 1. Comprehensive knowledge of front-end development. HTML, CSS. Proficiency in HTML for structuring web content and CSS for styling and layout. JavaScript. Mastery of JavaScript for adding interactivity and dynamic behavior to web pages. Frameworks and libraries. Expertise in front-end frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, and Vue.js. Responsive design. Creating web applications that work seamlessly across different devices and screen sizes using techniques like media queries, Flexbox, and CSS Grid. 2. Proficiency in back-end development. Server-side languages. Expertise in languages like Java, Python, Ruby, Node.js, PHP, or .NET for developing server-side logic. Frameworks and tools. Familiarity with back-end frameworks like Express, Node.js, Django, Python, Spring, Java, Ruby on Rails, Ruby, and Laravel, PHP. Database management. Proficiency in working with both SQL, e.g., MySQL, PostgreSQL, and NoSQL, e.g., MongoDB, Redis, databases. 3. API development and integration. RESTful APIs. Designing and implementing RESTful APIs for seamless client-server communication. GraphQL. Using GraphQL for flexible and efficient data querying. Authentication and authorization. Implementing secure authentication and authorization mechanisms, such as OAuth and JWT, JSON Web Tokens. 4. DevOps and CI/CD. Continuous integration, continuous deployment, CI/CD. Implementing CI/CD pipelines with tools like Jenkins, Travis C, or GitLab C to automate testing, building, and deployment. Containerization. Utilizing Docker for containerizing applications and Kubernetes for orchestrating container deployments. Cloud services. Deploying and managing applications on cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. 5. Version control and collaboration. Git. Using Git for version control to manage code changes and collaborate with other developers. Platforms. Hosting repositories and facilitating collaboration using platforms like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Code reviews. Conducting and participating in code reviews to ensure code quality and adherence to standards. 6. Security best practices. Data encryption. Implementing encryption techniques to protect sensitive data in transit and at rest. Secure coding. Writing secure code to prevent vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF. Compliance. Ensuring applications comply with industry standards and regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. 7. Performance optimization. Front-end performance. optimizing front-end performance through techniques like minification, lazy loading, and caching. Back-end performance. Enhancing back-end performance by optimizing database queries, implementing caching strategies, and using load balancers. Monitoring. Using monitoring tools like Prometheus and Grafana to track application performance and identify bottlenecks. 8. Testing and debugging. Unit testing. Writing unit tests to ensure individual components function correctly. Integration testing. Verifying that different parts of the application work together as expected. End-to-end testing. Conducting comprehensive testing of the entire application flow using tools like Selenium or Cypress. Debugging. Identifying and fixing bugs using debugging tools and techniques. 9. Soft skills and collaboration. Communication. Effectively communicating with team members, product managers, and stakeholders to align on project goals and requirements. Problem solving. Demonstrating strong problem-solving skills to address complex technical challenges. Agile methodologies. Participating in agile practices such as Scrum or Kanban, including sprints, stand-ups, and retrospectives. 10. Continuous learning and adaptability. Staying updated. Keeping up with the latest trends, tools, and technologies in the software development industry. Professional development. Engaging in ongoing learning through workshops, courses, and certifications to enhance skills. Conclusion. A full-stack developer is a versatile professional capable of handling both front-end and back-end development. Their expertise spans a wide range of technologies, frameworks, and tools, enabling them to build and maintain comprehensive web applications. By combining technical proficiency with strong problem-solving skills and effective communication, full-stack developers play a crucial role in delivering robust, scalable, and secure software solutions. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this, please subscribe to this channel and click on a bell icon to get the latest video notification. See you on my next video. Have a great day and bye-bye.